Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart a 2014 Cadillac ATS. Turn both ignitions off, engage parking brakes, and open hoods. Connect red clamp to dead positive, then to good battery positive, then black clamp to good battery negative, and to an unpainted metal ground on the ATS. Start donor vehicle, wait a few minutes, then attempt to start the ATS. Remove clamps in reverse order and let engine idle. Before you begin, inspect battery and terminals for corrosion and damage and clean, if needed, using a wire brush and baking soda solution. Ensure cable clamps have no frayed insulation and are rated for at least 400 amps. Keep metal objects away from battery tops to prevent short circuits. Position cables so they won't catch on anything while starting, and have a flashlight ready if visibility is poor. On another note, quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty that feels as reliable as a good jumpstart. If your hands are cold while working under the hood, great socks and comfy boots make the job easier and more enjoyable. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. And if this is helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Start by connecting the red clamp to the ATS positive terminal, then to the donor positive terminal, ensuring clamps are secure. Attach the black clamp to donor negative and the final black clamp to an unpainted metal ground on the ATS, away from the battery. Start the donor vehicle, allow it to run for a couple minutes, then try starting the ATS. After it runs, remove clamps in reverse order and keep the ATS idling, so the alternator charges the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.